Remove background color from pasted text in Google Docs. Ever pasted text into Google Docs and got stuck with weird background colors? Let's fix that. So, first is to highlight that specific text with a background color. And then at the top of your screen, you'd find this highlight color button. So click on this, and this will allow you to set the color of the background to none. So simply set it to none to be able to remove the background color. So for example, this specific text, I want to remove the background color of it. I'll simply click on this highlight color button, set it to none, and the background color would be changed. And that is how to remove background color from pasted text in Google Docs.